on and get you another round of breaking update. This is the showdown over Saugate Modi. As far as the opposition have now questioned when it comes to the BJP stand, and of course when it comes to the benefits that are now and this outreach program to the minority community that is now being made by the centre. So here is Uddhav Thackeray, who seems to be now saying that Saugate Modi is more like Saugate Satta, where he believes that it is going to be limited just to Bihar elections, and also saying that the BJP should declare that they have left Hindutva. And also when it comes to many of the questions that are now being raised over Hindutva politics, is saying that the BJP is something that seems to be changing their stance according to the elections taking place. Let's get in a word from Rucha right now. So Rucha, here is Uddhav Thackeray saying that it is not Saugate Modi, it is Saugate Satta, in looking in view of the upcoming elections in Bihar.
Well, Uddhav Thackeray has called this campaign Saugate Satta, considering that BJP is only doing this, only giving the kids during Ramzan period, only to attract the voters, is what Uddhav Thackeray is trying to say here. Initially, during the elections of Maharashtra's Lok Sabha as well as in the assembly elections, the Mahayuti government, the parties of Mahayuti had used slogans like Batenge to Katenge, and now they are giving these kids to the Muslim people, the Muslim voters, is what Uddhav Thackeray is trying to focus on. And he additionally says that this is only limited to the Bihar elections, and is now questioning the Hindutva of Bharatiya Janata Party. Uddhav Thackeray is saying this in the background of BJP always targeting Shiv Sena UBT party for leaving its Hindutva, and he is now questioning why BJP is not officially declaring that they are only doing the Hindutva politics and are only
Hindutva
targeting
politics and
particular
looking
community.
and keeping an eye on upcoming elections is something that taking a jibe at the BJP, Uddhav Thackeray has now labelled Saugate Modi as Saugate Satta. Rucha, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in. We'll keep an eye out for more news and developments back after a short break.